So one of our last little projects today was to clear the old logging road. So we brought the good old Ryobi tools up, cut a bunch of wood up, so now we can go up to that point and turn back around at least. But this gets us up to a nice point on the property where we're about 2/3 up to the peak of the mountain. So whenever we want to go up and hike, we don't have to kill ourselves with the whole hike. As you can see, him way down there now. So, but this was the property here. That's the corner, and then it starts going off to that side. So, anywho, another beautiful, beautiful day. And the inaugural drive. Nice job. And the trip inside the vehicle down. Holy steep.